Are you worried about losing power from the typhoon weather? Do you want to have stable power for home appliances like the security system, refrigerators, and the water pump no matter what weather you are? And here is the solution. Installing a battery backup system with lithium battery, object battery, and inverter. It's an off-grid high voltage battery which is used in the rural hospital in China. This inverter and battery is placed in the hospital control room. It supplies to power to medical appliances such as CT and X-ray. All the medical equipment needs straight power from the grid because little power difference will damage the medical equipment. That's why customers choose our inverter. Our inverter component is imported from Germany and Japan. This made our inverter is 60% stronger than the normal inverter in the market. The main components of our inverter are imported from Germany which fully meets the characteristics of the medical equipment. It is 60% stronger than the normal inverter in the market. This unit is very heavy because there are large transformers built inside, which is very good for inductive loads like the refrigerator and the water pump, also for the medical appliance. The installation is very easy because all the cable is connected in our factory. So when you receive the package, just need to connect the positive and negative terminals into the inverter terminals. Each cell inside the lithium battery has barcode and grade 8, and every battery cell is monitored by the BMS, which can be seen in the screen. What we do this is to give our customer better after-sales service. If you have any requirements for the off-grid project, welcome to contact us.